Hey guys, how are you? I'm out in the town right now in Jamaica. It's hot. It's humid today. I think we're gonna get a rainstorm. Anyway, I just wanted to pop on here really quick to make sure that you knew about tomorrow night, which is Tuesday. We're gonna be doing business bingo. It's Halloween, it's virtual. I got to sneeze on it. Sorry, bless me. All right, so it is a virtual Halloween business bingo. So you can dress up if you choose to, change your background, you can have props, or just come as you are. So as soon as you register, funbingotime.com, it's gonna send you the Zoom information, and then later tonight you're gonna receive your bingo card. So you do need to register. A lot of people are like, come in, and you're clicking on the event and saying going or saying interested, but you haven't registered, so I can't send you anything, guys. It's gonna be so much fun. It's like the 5th time that I'm doing this. So basically we play bingo, and after it there's a winner, okay, and then there's like a little commercial with business tips, and we play the next round, and then we just keep repeating that. And then there's like this big gigantic pot of gold that you can win when you invite friends to come and they show up, okay? So I encourage you to step out of your comfort zone, invite people. The script is in the email that you'll receive as soon as you register. You know, everyone likes to be included, right? I know I do. Do you like to be included, right? So wouldn't it be nice to include the business people that you know in your life? Who does your hair? Who do you buy your nail sticker things from, right? Your nail polish sticker strips. Who do you get your Tupperware from? Who do you get your Pampered Chef from? Who do you buy your skincare from? Who should you be buying your skincare from? Who do you buy your oils from? Your weight loss, all of that. Think about inviting others. And if you can't invite somebody to something that's fun, and they can win prizes, and so can you, but they can also enhance their business, and I'm going to tell you something, it's going to be very, very hard for you to gain referrals, and that's the truth. So I believe that you have to give way, way more than you receive, but you're never going to receive if you don't give, right? So I have a friend, her name is Mary West. I don't know if she's going to be watching this, but she is always pouring into others. She's always inviting others to other people events. And you know what? It is such a pleasure to invite others to meet her and to join her, because she's always so giving. And don't we want to do business with people who are giving? I know I do, right? So I invite people to other people's events, and you know, I would say to you that if you're having a hard time in your own business of inviting someone to your own event, step out of your comfort zone and invite them to this. It's fun. Like, what if they say no? Maybe they hate bingo, maybe they hate Halloween. All right, so what? You tried, right? And that's the same thing every day in business. If you're asking people to fill out your survey, they're either going to do it or they're going to say no, thank you. That's just life, right? You could be sitting next to someone on the airplane, and you can ask them, hey, do you want a Rice Krispie treat, right? And because you had an extra one and you didn't want to be rude eating in front of them. And they could say no, or they could say yes. If they said no, are you jumping out of the plane? No, that would be bananas, you know? So I just want you to get over your fear of the word no. Think of a waitress, right? And I was a waitress. I wasn't a very good waitress, but I was a waitress. I'll have to tell you all that funny story one day. But so the waitress comes up and she's like, do y'all want appetizers? And you're like, oh, no, thank you. Did she quit her job because you said no to appetizers? No. That's just the way it is, right? And that's the bartender. Would you like another drink? No. Are they going to quit? No. So I want you to reframe your thinking on being so afraid of people saying no to you. They're not saying no to Jessica, Jennifer, Sally, Erica. They're saying no to the offer. There's a big difference, okay? So I hope to see you. It is tomorrow night on Zoom, all right? Sorry, there's a motorcycle. All right, so funbingotime.com. Invite 5 people, then invite 5 more. I can't wait to see who's going to win the pot of gold. Mwah. Bye, guys.